What's going on, guys? My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. Now, I want to tell you guys about the sweet power of 45. You may be thinking, what the hell is he talking about? 45. $45 a day, guys, times the 22 trading some odd days in a month is $1,000 a month. Now, why is this significant? Why should this matter? Why should anyone care about making a measly $45 a day? And the reason being is that many of you, regardless of how long or little you've been trading, have yet to take a payout from the market. Maybe you've seen your P&L go up and you've seen it go down. Maybe you've made money 2-3 years ago and it's all gone. Maybe you trade for a futures prop firm and you get funded and then you blow your account. Maybe you sign up for 5, 6, 7 combines or evals and you lose them all. Most of you guys are not consistently taking out $1,000 out of the market each and every single month, yet are trying to make $500 to $1,000 a day or a trade. And when realistically you think about that, from a logical standpoint, it makes absolutely no sense. 45 is the number. If you did not take out a withdrawal, whether you trade prop or personal account, if you did not take a payout last month of September for at least $1,000 a day, you should by no means be trying to make $200, $300, $400, $500 a day, a trade even. I'm talking to people, you guys are trying to make $300 a trade. Guys, you're trying to make $300 a trade and yet you can't even make $1,000 a month. There's a problem, and the problem is you. The problem is greed. The problem is racing to an imaginary finish line that no one gives a shit about because it's not there. Do you think that I care personally if you make $10 a day or you make $10,000 a day? No. Do I realistically expect anyone to actually give a shit if I make $2,000 a day or I lose $5,000 a day? No. Because at the end of the day, I'm not paying your bills. I'm not funding your life. I'm not living with you. Same goes for you. You are not paying my bills. You're not living with me. You're not my family member. I don't have to feed you. I don't expect you to care if I make or lose money. And the sad and honest truth is that 99% of people out there on social media, on any platform, it doesn't really matter, no one really cares how much money you make. You want to know the only person who really cares how much money you're making is yourself, your significant other. If you're consistently losing money and you're draining into that personal savings account, but no one else really cares if you're pulling $1 out of this market every day or $1,000 out of this market every day. Nobody cares. So why are you caring so much about how much money you're making? Is it because you want to look cool? Is it because you want to look like you know what you're doing? Is it because you've spent the last 2 or 3 years trying to learn this skill set and you're still not profitable, so you want to be able to tell everyone you made $1,000 today? Meanwhile, you go and you blow up that account in a week. Meanwhile, you never take a payout at all. You can see here on the side, I was doing a little bit of math, right? I was doing a little bit of math. You know, 45.50 is $1,000. So technically it'd be around $45.50, but I like the number 45. 45.25 is $9.95. $46 a day is $1,012. And I got hung up on this number here, the 45, right? I like $45 a day. How many of you guys trade futures and you guys have hit a $40 to $50 trade? How many of you guys have traded futures and you're in 2 or 3 trades and you're up 70 or 80 bucks? Here's a good rule for you for the next 30 days. If you make anything over $45 trading on the day, please stop. And I can guarantee you this, 95% of you will not stop. You will continue to blow up your account. You will continue to lose money. You will continue to invest more money into these prop firm accounts that make their living off of you failing challenges, failing evaluations, paying for resets, so forth and so forth. You will consistently give money to your personal brokerage for commissions and fees because you just load more money in there and you take no money out. You're an amazing depositor, but you suck as a withdrawer. We want to be withdrawers. We want to be extractors. That's what I'm going to call us, extractors. We want to be extractors because we want to extract the money out of that market and into our pockets. We want to extract the money out of the markets and into our bank accounts. We want to extract the money out of the markets and into that flight ticket to go to Miami, to go to the Bahamas, do whatever you want to do, to go visit family on the other side of the world, the other side of the country. We want to extract the money to take your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your husband, your wife, your secondary wife, your whoever to a nice dinner. You want to extract the money so you can help pay for your car payment. You want to extract money so you can pay for your cell phone bill. You want to extract money so you can put towards retirement. We do not want to be withdrawers. I mean, we do not want to be depositors. We want to be withdrawers, extractors. $45 a day. If you make more than $45 a day, here is a perfect practice tip for you. Stop trading on the day. There's approximately 22 trading days in a month. If you round an average, now again, is every day going to be a green day? Of course not. Maybe for some of you, it might be, because I have a feeling that some of you guys make $200 or $300 and then you give it all away. When you could have stopped at 100, when you could have stopped at 200, when you could have stopped at 500, you could have stopped at 45, but you didn't. You wanted to make more. You feel that by sitting here in front of this computer screen or in front of your phone or in front of your laptop, that the longer you put in, the more money you make. And to be honest with everyone, I've told this to people before, we trade for the freedom of time, not to sit here for 8 hours because we're going to make more money. The longer you sit, it's like sitting at the blackjack table, at the 21 table, at the craps table, at the slot machine. If you put a $100 bill into the slot machine and you hit the mini bonus, you walk away. It doesn't mean you load up another 100. If you put the $100 bill in and you lose the entire 100, it doesn't mean you put another one and you put another one and you put another one. Maybe you come back tomorrow. Maybe you come back later tonight, but you don't sit there and deplete your entire wallet in it, because guess what? The moment you do that, someone else is going to walk around after you leave. They're going to put a $20 bill in there. They're going to hit the jackpot. Not you. Not you. The market is the same way. You don't come into the market and lose $1,000 and come and try to trade it all back to make it all back. You set a realistic expectation on your stop loss. You set a realistic expectation on the amount of money that you want to make, and you work towards that goal. If you haven't pulled $1,000 out of the market, matter of fact, if you didn't make $1,000 in the month of September, your goal is anything over $45. You stop trading on the day and that's it. You come back tomorrow. Some trades you're going to make $100. Some trades you're going to make $200. Some trades you're going to make $65. The point I'm making is that if you're over $45 a day, you're going to average $1,000 a month. Let's work on extracting, baby, extracting. Let's work on extracting $1,000 a month consistently. Let's do that for 2 or 3 months. Let's build up a little bit of a cushion. Let's increase our position sizing just a little bit, maybe by one contract. And let's now take $90 out of the market. If we make anything over 90, we call it a day. We make anything over 90, we call it a day. We make anything over 90, we call it a day. Things have to be repeated to people like children, because again, even myself, we are all just children at heart. We are all just hard-headed and stuck in our ways and not wanting to change. But again, if you don't want to change, there is no progress. And if there's no progress, there's no profits. And if there's no profits, it's just mental hardship and heartache. Anything over $45 a day for the next 22 trading days, you stop trading on the day. I don't care if it's by a penny or if it's by $300. You stop trading over $45. Let's work on taking our first payout from these prop firms. Let's work on taking our second payout from these prop firms. Let's work on extracting money out of our personal brokerage account. Because again, remember this, guys, nobody gives a shit how much money you're really making other than you. If you guys want to trade with me, you guys want to learn my ways, you want to learn my strategy, you want to watch the live streams, you guys would also like to get access to the courses, access to the one-on-one mentorship, access to the community, access to a friend for life, make sure you guys sign up. The link down below. I only have 2 or 3 spots available depending on how fast they come in. But again, new month, new students, same tactics. Let's make this $1,000 this month.